It's got to be the fuel pump, right? I mean, I know this is a fuel rail, but I don't know.
Never heard of that before. All right, kids, ladies and gentlemen, this car has never started. Will it start today? Okay.
Clutch.
Power seats work. Got a bunch of lights on the dash. No fire. We got gas. Half a tank. Uh-oh. All right, y'all, what's going on? It's your boy Juan. Second adventure this week. So I can tell I got a nice little haircut. But this is Thursday. Last time I talked to y'all, I was on a Tuesday. So we're actually, that day was very successful, if you guys remember. I went out to look at a car at Roanoke, and ended up not being what I wanted to, and ended up actually turning around empty-handed. So now I'm headed up to Virginia, Danville, not as far, but here looking at a 6-speed E92 full bolt-on. Seems to have a bank 1 misfire, which will probably conclude to be a MOSFET issue. So hoping I can get a little swipe on that, fix the MOSFETs, clean her up a little bit, and then probably put her back on the market. So yeah, we're gonna check her out and see what we think. Talk to y'all. So picking the bad boy up. Didn't even get to start it. A lot of issues trying to find a new battery, fit a new battery. I mean, looks okay. I don't know who the hell sprayed chameleon paint job all over the bay. Looks terrible. Has JB4 in it, got a ton of parts. So we're going to probably strip all that shit out and get to it. 3 wheels, 1 4-star is missing, but then again we got a 4-star, so that's always dope. Yo, what's up? What's up? It's your boy Juan. I'm in the garage right now. I remember earlier today I picked this 335 6-speed, extremely rough shape. Does seem to have some mods though. Nothing crazy. I bet you this is probably a bootleg. Knockoff blow-off valve. And how it's seated in there. Terrible. Look at the tape right there. It does have an arm intercooler, which you probably can't see right now. Precision racework coils. Probably gonna pull those off. Revert back to Eldor coils. I just pulled out the Gremlin JB4, which what I do with that piece of junk. Here it is. If anybody wants it, give me a little offer on it. I'll let it go. Might raffle it off. And I think I found our problem for no start anything. Check out the water damage. This ECU. Still probably. Surprised I can't hear water swishing in there, y'all. But yeah, so the hood on this car broke, damaged a lot. It snapped up in the air. And so I didn't even bring it with me. It was so bad, I just told the guy keep it there and he could throw it away. So now I'm gonna put this JB4 back, or not JB4, put this all these connections back to the ECU correctly, and I'm gonna go ahead and probably send the ECU off tomorrow and get it checked. Pretty sure it's fried. I wasn't getting any fuel, any spark. Car wouldn't just turn over. So, you know, I've been through this road too many times with all my cars. Generally, you should always get the ECU checked out first, especially if you're having that kind of issue. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna do a little bit more work on this and I'll keep you guys updated. Talk to y'all soon. All right, now that I got everything back in stock, ECU looks good. Cleaned up all the connections. Let me see if it'll start. I'm gonna try to connect the battery back up. See if she'll give me some juice. You know, before what I would hear It's the ECU, like something running in the engine. Maybe like the water pump while the car was off. So we're gonna try that out real quick and I'll get right back to you guys. Now listen to this really strange noise that happens when the car's completely off. Weird. Weird. What's up? So it seems there's zero connection to the DME. These HIDs aren't even hooked up, these angel lights, so fan is running right now. What kind of shit is going on right now? So I'm gonna plug this other OBD, which is picking up the signal pretty good. So it should be able to at least give me something, right? So this is an MHD dongle. See, there goes that noise again too. This thing's going crazy. Okay, got MHD connected. Now we're gonna turn our car on to accessory mode. We're ready to go. MHD is on. I should be able to read some codes off of this guy. Now it seems to be contacting the DME. Contacting. It says connect, contact the DME. Interesting. And we are hooked up to our MHD option. MHD connected, yeah. Next thing I'm going to try, I'm going to go ahead and try to unplug the ECU and see if the car just does everything that it's doing right now. And it probably won't even start because there's different aspects of the car. I mean, it probably won't even do anything because there's different aspects of the car that make it run, make it do different things. And so the ECU kind of powers all of that. But just for shits and giggles, I'm gonna find out what happens when I unplug the DME, since it's saying there's no connection to it. Gotta find out. All right, let me get to work and get right back to y'all. All right, now with the DME unplugged, I don't think I've ever tried this before. Still got OBD connection. Let's see what happens if everything sounds like it's going. I don't know what that was. Everything looks the same. I mean, I see no difference in. Let's see what's. Yeah, car still tries to start. Let's see if we get that crazy annoying sound from the fan or whatever, the water pump. I don't know what's going on. So now the ECU is not plugged in at all. Oh, it says no cable or Wi-Fi detected. Well, now it's on my house Wi-Fi. That's probably why, y'all. So get back to the MHD. And we should have the same message. Alright, let's see. Let's read DME. Contacting it. Took just as long last time with the Bluetooth one. Cable seems to be a whole lot faster. Boom, connect, contacted DME. So, got same error both times. This leads me to conclude that the ECU has failed. Interesting though. Oh look, that's what's missing. The rear view mirror. It's right there. So I'm not worried about this interior because you know what? I'm thinking this is gonna be project race car, man. I'm gonna gut this whole damn thing for what I'm into it. What y'all think, man? Let me know what y'all think. So like I said, it's just clean title. It's pretty rough. I want to do some work, body work to it, of course. I do like the red. I'm gonna keep a lot of this red the way it is. But I do want to have some cool plans with it. Maybe upgraded twins. Maybe building the block. I don't know, y'all. I'm bored, so y'all know how I get. Here's some of the memorable ones. Single turbo, 335. That was a fun one of my favorite cars. My eBay built 4,000 total invested, 500 horsepower car. 335 convertible. 09 335 single turbo. I think it's been around everywhere. Everywhere had that. 135 single turbo. Upgraded Dell turbo 535. Pure what do they make these? Pure stage 2s. 335. Here's a N55 535. Yeah, it's been some of the good ones right there. Here's another drop top 335. I didn't keep for long. You know, I love these Beamers. Here's a full restoration I did on this one. Got it for $1,800. Left that baby looking beautiful. But so you know, that's what we're gonna do with this one. Y'all see it now the way it is. Give me 2 months with this thing. You know, I got it today, man. I'm already in here trying to knock it out, dude. I'm just obsessed. So, all right, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about this car. What should we do with it? I found one forge wheel. One of the forge star wheels bent right here. The other one is cracked. Found a set of 2 for $500. No tires. I can simply swap these over. So I'll probably do that. They're not bronze, so I'll have to not plastic dip to a powder coat, which I'm about to start doing that soon anyways. All right, hey, look, this is part 1. Tomorrow I'm gonna send off this DME. Hopefully, yeah, look at this thing, man. Already cleaned it. Already looks like shit. So confidence fried. All right, I'll keep y'all updated. Talk to y'all later. Thanks for checking in.